Indian soldiers deployed in the world's highest battlefield, Siachen Glacier, are getting personal kit worth around 1 lakh for protection against extreme cold conditions there. The most expensive part of the personal kit of soldiers includes the multi-layered extreme winter clothing, which costs around 28,000 rupees per set, along with the special sleeping bag, which is worth around 13,000 rupees. The down jacket and the special gloves of troops together cost around 14,000 rupees, while the multi-purpose shoes cost around 12,500 rupees. Among the equipment being provided to the troops is also the oxygen cylinder, costing 50,000 rupees per piece, which is very important at such altitudes as the oxygen levels are very low there. The soldiers also get equipment and gadgets for detecting avalanche victims, which costs around 8,000 rupees. The work on Chandrayaan-3 mission has started and it is going on at full speed, ISRO Chief K. Sivan said on Wednesday. He also stated that Chandrayaan-3's configuration will be almost similar to Chandrayaan-2, but the new mission will have a rover with a propulsion module. The work is being carried out very smoothly, he had said. Sivan further said that Chandrayaan-3's lander and craft cost is approximately 250 crore, whereas the launch cost will be around 350 crore. The Indian Space Research Organisation will send Vyomamitra, a lady robot, in unmanned Gaganyaan spacecraft. Vyomamitra, a combination of two Sanskrit words Vyoma, space, and Mitra, friend, took everyone by surprise when she introduced herself to the audience gathered there. Hello everyone. I am Vyomamitra, the prototype of the half-humanoid, been made for the first unmanned Gaganyaan mission, the robot said. Explaining about the role in the mission, she said, I can monitor parameters, alert you and perform life support operations. The robot said she can also be a companion and converse with the astronauts, recognize them and can also respond to their queries. Malaysia's top sugar refiner said, it will increase purchases of the commodity from India, which according to two sources is part of efforts to placate New Delhi amid an ongoing spat over palm oil imports. Malaysia has said it will look to other markets to sell more palm oil, but that may not be easy as India has been the biggest buyer of Malaysian palm oil for the past 5 years, purchasing 4.4 million tons in 2019. Malaysia's exports to India were worth $10.8 billion in the fiscal year that ended on March 31, while imports totaled $6.4 billion. MSM Malaysia Holdings Berhad will buy 130,000 tons of raw sugar from India worth $49.20 million in the first quarter, the company told. It bought around 88,000 tons of raw sugar from India in 2019.